Alright, Wednesday night after work. So what do we do after work on a Wednesday night? Half hour later, the lock gate is now shut. So we're going to risk that they're going to get it back open when we want to come back in. Alright. We're going boat in. Alright, this is how we do evening dinner. We got healthy salads going on.
Well, covered in salad cream. But...
Covered in salad cream. Happy days. This is it. Our anchored view. Alright, Wednesday night after work. So what do we do after work on a Wednesday night?
Go boating.
Go boating! Guys?
Doing the nuts wrap.
It is a beautiful day. So we're going to go anchor off, have our salad out there and watch the sunset come down and cruise on back in.
Where's the bit not to pull?
So, yeah, hard day at work for all of us. Home Wednesday evening, what day it is, Wednesday evening. We're off on holiday properly soon to Cyprus on Saturday. So you'll see some videos of that coming up. But in the meantime, we're going to go catch some rays and some sunsets.
Do you want to do anything?
Cruising. Cruising. "15 minutes later, we're still in the lock, and all the maintenance they did on the lock gates, and the back one's not shutting properly. So they can't shut the lock gate, the inner lock gate, which means they can't open the outer lock gate. And we are questioning whether they do get it shut, do we go out?
Singly.
Not shutting. This is not the first time we've been stuck in the lock and had to back out of it, is it? Bloody hell, poor said. Come on. 300,000 pounds they spent on these lock gates. I'd be getting a refund. Half hour later, the lock gate is now shut. So we're going to risk that they're going to get it back open when we want to come back in. Alright. We're going boat in. Terrible.
It'll be alright, it's only a bit.
It'll be alright. At least we get our sunset.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll pull off the port. Strong current, guys.
Yeah, start.
Oh.
Straight now.
Where's the anchor to? Where's the chain? I can't see your hand in front of you.
To the left. That way.
Right,
The chain's...
pull back.
That way. The chain is that way.
See where it...
That way now.
Yeah, we didn't move from that.
I think we're in, aren't we?
We're in.
Yeah.
We're in.
No.
Leave the engine for a minute.
Yeah. Alright!
So you've got that,
Anchor.
Yeah. Look at that.
12.
The bird.
What's the depth?
4.
5. I was just worried about...
Anchored! And now we got our sunset.
Does the thing go up that high while it's anchored?
Oh, now I've got to
Are you letting more out?
Yeah, it's alright, it's alright. The boat will go back.
Alright, this is how we do evening dinner. We've got healthy salads going on.
Well, covered in salad cream, but
Covered in salad cream.
choking on a pickle, I do.
Beautiful sunset. Don't choke on a pickled onion, Rich.
Yeah.
Severn Bridge in the background. Portishead Lido in the background there. The bird in the background there. Happy days. This is it. Our anchored view for sunset dinner. Beautiful. Good idea this was. My idea. Good idea. Good idea, are you, Rich? Good idea this, wasn't it?
It was a good idea, my idea, wasn't it?
My idea, yeah.
So, we're out in the Bristol Channel, and Ben's got his drone again, and that baby drone. Oh no, it's big. No, I thought we had little Neo.
No, we need
And now we've
proper,
got the big
proper
drone.
one with a light.
Gonna give it a go. Last time we tried
Higher
this,
then.
it
What's that
crashed.
much higher? Is it going to work? Ah, same channel.
Beautiful sunset over there. There's the rest of the gang down there. Gang, this drone taking off. I'm frightened we're going to lose it. Is this the day we're going to lose the drone? Just heard on the radio that there's a lifeboat being launched to Milford Haven. Something's going on over there.
Yeah, I've got no zoom though. So.
Maybe they think it's us. They're heading over here. Why are they coming over here?
They are. Come over.
What? Oh dear, I don't know what's gone on, but they're actually coming over to us. I think they think it's us, but we're okay.
What's it called?
Yeah, all good, thanks. Oh, that was nice of them. They just come over to check that we were all okay. Oh, what a shot that is. Look at that, going into the sunset. What a shot. Meanwhile, Ben's still on the drone, flying the drone.
Why did they come over here? Just to
Check if we're okay.
Yeah.
They've done that before actually when we went past the bridges.
They
and
got
that.
up to the little boat. Is that...
Yeah, maybe it is a practice thing then. Oh. Rich. The brother.
Oh.
sun has gone down on us. It's in the road of George Michael. The sun has gone down. We'll see if Ben can attempt to land this train. Oh, he's a nightmare with this train.
He is a fucking nightmare with this road.
I'm gonna sort my hair out a minute. Perfecto! Clap, 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 clap. Woohoo! He saved him!
Where are the lights? They're just off. Huh? The lights are off, which is a worry. Alright.
What it says is believe over.
Yeah, incoming at your convenience now, over.
Copy that, heading in over. Yeah.
Made my week, Dennis.
Yeah.
So I didn't realise you don't need the. So I'm talking to you while you're concentrating. You
Right.
don't need the steering wheel. So when you're doing that, are you just flicking it in gear?
Yeah, flicking it in and out of gear, just to
gear.
twist
No,
the props.
no like revs or anything.
No revs. No revs.
Beautiful.
And that's it. We are back. Beautiful evening. Not bad for a weekday.
Textbook.
That's alright, isn't it?
Brilliant.
Apart from my chucking skills.
That's right. All good fun. You enjoy yourself, Chris?
Chuck that far. Yes, very good day. Evening. Out.
Oh, getting dark. Right, beer time for me anyway. Alright, all tied up. And that was fantastic evening. Beautiful sunset. Evening drinks now. What's going on here? Nothing. Fantastic. Get some light. Get some light. Get some light. Ah, go down here. Cut. Edit. Cut, edit. There we go. There's some light. Alright. So, hope you like the little video. Next video you see will be probably of us doing some holiday videos on YouTube from where are we going? Cyprus, that's it. Alright, we're going to Cyprus. So I'll put some videos on of that, see if we can go around some marinas. Please click the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. We'll see you soon. Alright.